everyone. My name is Kamre Sonali Suraj. I am assistant professor in Dahiwadi College, Dahiwadi. Today I am going to give a short lecture on Microsoft Access. The Microsoft Access is well known used for database management system which stores data. Thousands of data can be stored. Database is a collection of records where you can store or manipulate, that is to update a record of the employee or any other fields or data. Here there are various steps for creating a database. First step is to create a database by using a template. Here we can use online templates which are provided by MS Access. Next is to create a database without using a template. Here we can customize or use our own templates created. Next is copy a data from another source and you can use in the Access. Next, here are the few steps of creating a blank database. When you open MS Access, you will see the screen. Here you can select a blank database. From there, give a database name and click on create button. Next step is when you create a database, the next window opens where you can see the tables to create and the records to maintain. Here are some data types used in Access. The first data type is short text. Here in short text you can use name or any which contains the size of 255 characters. Next, number. Here you can use it is used for age or any short number for the calculation. Next, large number. Here you can store a huge number for the scientific purpose. Next, currency. It stores number and symbols that represents the money, date and time. Here we can provide a birth date or any joining date or any date you want to store in the table. Next is yes and no option. From this only one is selected, either yes or either no. Next data type is lookup and relationship. Here you can use a drop down list. From that you can choose any of the selected option. Next is rich text. In the rich text, if you want to store any paragraph or you can use a rich text. Next is a long text. This is used for huge amount of data you want to display. For example, you want to write a paragraph which using a space or any symbol, you can use long text. Next is a attachment. Here you can use attach a photo or any Word document. Next is a hyperlink. If you want to give any link, you can provide or use a hyperlink data type. Here are some steps to create the table. When you click on the create tab, here it is showing in the title bar to click on the create tab. Then afterwards, click on the table. Here it shows the table name. Next, click on to add table. Here when you give here it table provides ID and add data types. From this you can give fields, table fields. For example, ID, customer name, contact number, address. And from that you can select any of the database which is required for the particular field. Next, after creating a table, we can see here the ID first name is created. After creating the table with the required fields ID, first name, last name, date of birth, it shows an option to save the database. You can click on the yes button and save the table name. Here it provides a table name. Here you can give any table name related to your database. Then click on OK. Thank you. So in the next lecture we will see about report creation and form creation. Thank you for now.